What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for stopping by. I'm going to be showing y'all how I clean my guest bathroom today, and I'm going to use a few things. So I'm going to use a Method daily shower, the Method foaming bathroom cleaner, Method anti-bac all-purpose cleaner, Barkeeper's Friend, my favorites. I use a Swiffer duster. I'm going to be using a scrub brush, paper towels, and microfiber cloths. So when I clean, I always like to clean from top to bottom. So let's jump into it, y'all. So I'm first going to start off by removing everything that was on the countertop, and then once I'm done that, I'm going to go ahead and get the Barkeeper's Friend in my toilet. After that, I'm going to go ahead and start my dusting process. And I like to first start off by dusting off my light fixture in the bathroom, and then I move to dusting off my blinds. So I'm spraying my mirror with Sprayway glass cleaner. Then after, I'm going to take my microfiber cloth and wipe my mirror off. Once I'm done using a cloth, I like to go in with a paper towel to wipe all of the hair fibers off of my mirror and have my mirror nice and clear. I'm going to be using the Method anti-bac all-purpose cleaner in the scent Wildflower to spray inside of my sink, on my countertops, as well as my faucet and faucet handles. I'm going to make sure I get all of that wiped down because they are touched quite frequently. And because this is an antibacterial, it'll kill 99.9% of household germs. So I like to make sure that I definitely use an antibacterial, one that's not too strong, to clean off my countertops, sinks, and the cabinets. I'm spraying my toilet with the Method bathroom foaming cleansing spray, and then I'm going to move on to cleaning the outside of my toilet. I use the same thing that I used on my countertops, that is the Method antibacterial all-purpose cleaner in the scent Wildflower, and I'm going to wipe the perimeter of the toilet, the top, the back, the sides, as well as the seats of my toilet. Now, as y'all can see, my toilet definitely needs some attention. We get a lot of toilet buildup and gunk pretty easily, especially if I'm not staying on top of it every few days. And it doesn't help that our water here is hard. But Barkeeper's Friend does a good job at removing stains, lime, and tarnish. And y'all also saw me put the Method bathroom foaming cleansing spray in the toilet as well. I don't use a toilet brush. I just rather use my hands so that I don't have to worry about my brush accumulating mold. So I do this all by hand, and I just switch my gloves when I'm done. For my shower, I'm going to be using the Method daily shower cleaner, and I'm going to spray that around the walls of my shower, and I'm going to take my microfiber cloth and wipe those walls down until I feel they are nice and shiny. I'm taking my Method foaming bathroom cleaner spray and spraying it on the floor. Then I'm going to take my scrub brush and scrub my floor tiles. So at this point, I'm going to turn some water on, and once I feel like I have enough water, I'm just going to scoop that water and soap from the cleaner down the drain, and then I'm going to take a cloth and try to dry that shower floor out as much as I can. Once I'm done that, I like to take my Sprayway glass cleaner and clean the glass on my shower doors. I do clean inside and the outside glass to my shower. I'm wiping down my towel holder, then I'm going to wipe down the towel rack as well as the toilet paper dispenser. Once I'm done that, I move on to wiping down the decor pieces that I had on the countertop, as well as the wipes and any type of spray that I have in the bathroom. I just like to spray some antibacterial spray on my cloth, and I just like to wipe those things down. I'm lightly dusting my baseboards with my broom to knock all the dust on the floor, and then I sweep my bathroom floors to clean up all of the dust and the debris. I get it thrown into the dustpan and out of the way. I like to go in the bathroom with my vacuum cleaner. I do have a non-carpet option on my vacuum, and I'm able to take it on other floors outside of carpet. Once I'm done with the vacuum, I go in with my Swiffer wet mop and mop out my floor in the bathroom. Every time I clean any of my bathrooms, I always set my toilet paper up in this little decoration. Anybody else do this? After that, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down my knobs, my handles, and my light switches. Once I'm done that, I'm just going to get all of my towels and my floor mats set up how I want everything set up. I'm just folding my towels how I want them folded, and I'm just going to set out the bathroom rugs. And before I get a question about this, I do have on a stomach shaper underneath my shirt, so it does almost look like I'm pregnant, y'all, but I'm not pregnant, okay?